Hi, I'm Sol, brand ambassador for Inclusion, the startup that connects Latinx and Black professionals with companies that are looking for diverse talent to work remotely. So I'm very excited to tell you about today's job opportunity. It comes from Somewhere Good. Somewhere Good is the name of the company. Somewhere Good, I like it. And they're looking for an iOS engineer this time. So this is US based, and I'll tell you a little bit about it. So Somewhere Good is seeking an iOS engineer to build the Somewhere Good app alongside a backend engineer and their CTO. So a little overview of what exactly you'll be doing. You'll work alongside the design team to iterate and implement app features from wireframes and clickable prototypes, integrate Somewhere Good and third-party APIs, partner with the design team and other engineers to translate visions and brainstorming to requirements and deliverables, work with UX, UI designers to develop applications to designs. So if this sounds good, this sounds like you, let me tell you about the compensation. The compensation for this is $115,000 a year plus benefits and equity and other perks. If this sounds like you, I highly recommend that you check out this job on the job board because there's so much more listed on here. For example, skills and experience developing iOS applications using Swift, experience with Xcode, auto layout constraints, and interface builder, experience with archiving and deploying apps to TestFlight. And then they go on listing the languages and technologies that are used at Somewhere Good, like Java, HTML, Stripe, so on and so on. So definitely check this out if you're interested and you're into software development. The interview process, I'll tell you briefly what that looks like. It's a 5-step process, okay? It starts off with a 30-minute conversation and then a 60-minute tech assessment. You move on to a 30-minute conversation with the chief executive officer, and then 60-minute pair programming assessment. And that one, some of these are paid. So definitely check this out if you're interested. Get all the details. The entire process, if all goes well, lasts around 1 week. So in 1 week, you could be sitting at Somewhere Good in your home, Somewhere Good in your home, and basically working out of your home and designing stuff. So sounds pretty cool to me. Sounds pretty cool to you. Apply on the job posting board. Okay, let's start again. Hi, I'm Sol, brand ambassador for Inclusion. Inclusion is a startup that connects Black and Latinx professionals with companies that are looking for diverse talent to work remotely. Sounds amazing, right? I'm so excited to tell you about today's job posting. It comes from Somewhere Good. That's the name of the company, Somewhere Good. So Somewhere Good is seeking an iOS engineer, and they're seeking them to build a Somewhere Good app alongside a backend engineer and their CTO. This role is US based, and the compensation is $115,000 per year, plus benefits, plus equity, and other perks. So if so far this sounds amazing, let me give you some details. This is what you'll be doing. You'll work alongside the design team to iterate and implement app features from wireframes and clickable prototypes, integrate Somewhere Good and third-party APIs, partner with the design team and other engineers to translate visions and brainstorming to requirements and deliverables, work with UX, UI designers to develop applications to designs. Here's what you need for skills and experience. Experience developing iOS applications using Swift, experience with Xcode, auto layout constraints, and interface builder. Also, experience with archiving and deploying apps to TestFlight. So if you're like, yes, I'm sold, this is me, I highly encourage you to check out this job posting on this job posting board because there's a lot more details, like the languages and technologies used at Somewhere Good, Java, HTML, Stripe, so on. There's so much information on here. And the interview consists of a 5-part process. So the first thing that you'll be doing will be a 30-minute conversation with the head of operations. Then from there, you'll be moving on to a 60-minute tech assessment. And that one looks paid. 30-minute conversation as well with the chief executive officer. And then you'll move on from there to a 60-minute pair programming assessment. Also states paid. I love the sound of this. The entire process, if all goes well, is expected to last 1 week. So again, if you're interested, get all the details on the job posting board here at Inclusion, and you can also go ahead and apply directly from here. So there's also an email address. If you have any questions, you can email them directly as well. And that is what I have for today. I will see you next time with another remote job opportunity. Bye.